Understanding Sustainable Use, an easy guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important and relevant topic, sustainable use. This concept is not only crucial in environmental discussions but also in our everyday lives. So, let's dive in and understand what sustainable use really means and why it matters. Sustainable use refers to the use of resources in a way that meets our current needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It's about finding a balance between consumption and conservation. This concept is often associated with environmental resources like water, air, and land, but it can apply to any type of resource, including economic and social resources. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples. Renewable energy sources, using solar or wind energy instead of fossil fuels. Recycling and reusing. Instead of disposing of items, finding ways to reuse or recycle them. Sustainable agriculture. Farming methods that maintain the health of the soil and ecosystems. Water conservation, using water-efficient appliances and fixing leaks. Sustainable use is crucial for several reasons. Environmental protection. It helps preserve ecosystems and biodiversity. Economic benefits. Sustainable practices can lead to cost savings and economic resilience. Social well-being. Ensuring resources are available for everyone, now and in the future. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of sustainable use and its importance. Remember, every small step towards sustainability can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and let's all strive to make more sustainable choices in our lives.